Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with a new tutorial video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove multi-account login on Instagram. Now without any further ado, let's start. First of all, you have to launch the Instagram app on your device. Once you open the Instagram, log into your account and after that, go to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you land on your profile page, now again tap on three line icon from the upper right corner of your screen and a dialog box will pop up. Tap on settings and privacy and in here scroll all the way down. In login section, you will be able to see three options that says add account, from where you will be able to add your account, and just below that you will see log out of your currently logged in account. So this is my currently logged in account, and under that you will see log out all account, from where you will be able to log out of all your account login on Instagram. If you want to log out of this currently logged in account, tap on second one. Now if you want to log out of all your account, tap on log out all accounts. Again tap on log out. Once you log out, you will see this interface, and in here you will be able to see all your accounts that you have logged into Instagram. Now to remove, but before that, if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Now back to our video again. Now in order to remove this logged in account on Instagram, from the upper right corner of your screen, tap on settings icon and again tap on that account one by one. In there you will be able to see remove profile. Tap on remove profile and now again tap on remove. Again do the same with the other account as well. Tap on that account and again tap on remove profile and again tap on remove. So that's all, and in this way you can remove multi-account login on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching again. I will see you on next tutorial.